The ice cube neutrino observatory has detected the most energetic particle ever. Actually, it was discovered in 2016, but on March 10, 2021, it was confirmed in a paper published in Nature. The collision seems to have triggered subatomic cascade called Glashow Resonance. The Glashow Resonance involves an antineutrino or even a regular neutrino with very large amount of energy. So when it collides with an electron, it produces particle with comparatively larger mass, such as W boson. This detection is a powerful confirmation of standard model. But we cannot create this energetic particle on Earth because Glashow resonance required the energy of 6.3 peta-electron volt, which is a very large energy. To put that in perspective, it is 415 times the energy the Large Hadron Collider will be able to produce after it is done being upgraded. It's actually a crazy amount of energy, and that's why we cannot produce it. And we are only relying on the very rare bizarre phenomena on nature to see these kinds of events. Let's see what future holds for us. Thank you for watching.